Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use someone's original sound on Instagram Reels. If you, while watching Instagram Reels videos, hear a song that you would like to use in your video, then you can easily do it. Follow these steps and you will find out how. Log into your Instagram account and press on the Discover tab. Hit the Reels section in order to open it. Find a video that song you would like to use. Click on the sounds title at the bottom of the screen. Now you can hit the Use Audio button and start recording a Reels video with this sound. What is more, you can press on the paper airplane icon and send this song to someone. Or you may tap the bookmark icon and save the sound in order to use it later. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use someone's original sound on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueWaySocial.com.